Welcome to our tutorial on using the Converter tool in MAPOG map analysis. It's like magic. You give it your data in one form, and it turns it into another form that you need for your analysis. Now, let's walk through the simple steps of using the Converter tool. Step 1. Upload the data. Click on the Process Data and choose Converter tool. Here upload your KMZ file. And click on the Upload button. You can also add your recent data. Step 2. Select the format you want your data to be converted into. Set the output file format MIF. You can set the coordinate reference system also. Step 3. Click Convert and let the tool work its magic. Step 4. Finally, review your converted data to make sure it looks right. And download the Convert file. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Converter tool in MAPOG map analysis. Now you can easily convert your data for all your analysis needs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try out the Converter tool yourself and don't forget to explore our other tools.